For 2019, we think the market will be increasingly more anxious about risks of a recession, and that will bring more volatility. And we think that could be great for long-term investors such as ourselves, because it will give us the opportunity to capture some companies that will give us exposure to long-term growth prospects that we think are strong. When we look at the market, we see three big mega themes. The first one is demographic changes. The second one is the future of technology across all sectors. And the third one is resource scarcity. And in each of these mega themes, we can see some opportunities. For example, in the first theme, the emerging market middle class is an important theme for us that we'll be researching more. The future of technology, we're looking at robotization and how that impacts every sector of the economy. We'll be looking at opportunities to gain more exposure to that theme. And in resource scarcity, we're very excited about the electric vehicles' multi-decade growth potential, and we'll be looking at opportunities to pick winners and ensure that we avoid the losers in what is an important long-term theme. In terms of risks in 2019, clearly on the macro side, there will be increased risk of the trade war between China and the US bringing the wrong type of inflation in the world economy, i.e. inflation that is artificially induced. And we think that that again will bring more volatility into the markets. But again, for us as long-term investors, we think that that could provide great opportunities to capture companies and thematics that have got multi-decade attractive growth potential. There are a few things that we think the market is missing for 2019. Firstly, the importance of pricing power when looking at companies. In a market where inflationary pressures might be picking up, we think it's important to focus the analysis on finding companies that have got pricing power to protect their margins. Secondly, we don't think the debate is about whether there will be a recession. We think the more relevant debate should be about the shape of a recession. Will it be a deep recession or a shallow one? If we're facing a shallow recession, we think that this gives a great opportunity for long-term investors to get involved in the asset class again. Thirdly, don't underestimate the potential for both China and the US to regain some momentum into their economic activity. Chinese authorities could stimulate the economy to ensure they avoid a hard landing. And as far as the US is concerned, we're getting into that stage where the Trump administration might be thinking about potential for a second mandate. And we think there could be some upside surprise to policies that they put in place to ensure that the economic activity stays strong. Finally, as far as M&A is concerned, at this late stage in the cycle, we have seen in the past historically that M&A activity picks up. In this instance, this could be the case again, and that could send the market into euphoria.